Hello, food lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a journey into the world of Japanese cuisine and exploring one of its most delicious street foods, Ankake Yakisoba. But hold on tight, because we're about to uncover some maximum unknown facts about this savory delight. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is Ankake Yakisoba? Well, it's a mouth-watering dish that combines stir-fried noodles, a flavorful sauce, and a medley of ingredients. But here's the twist. It's smothered in a thick, glossy sauce called ankake. Now, let's dig deeper and discover some maximum unknown facts about this street food sensation. Did you know that Ankake Yakisoba originated in the vibrant streets of Osaka, Japan? This bustling city is renowned for its street food culture, and Ankake Yakisoba has become a beloved specialty. It's often enjoyed at food stalls and festivals, where the delicious aroma and sizzling sounds attract hungry crowds. Here's an intriguing fact. Ankake Yakisoba got its name from the word ankake, which means thick sauce in Japanese. The noodles are stir-fried until they're slightly crispy, then generously coated with a velvety, umami-packed sauce made from Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, and other secret ingredients. It's this luscious sauce that sets Ankake Yakisoba apart from other variations. Prepare to be amazed. Ankake Yakisoba is a versatile dish that can be customized to suit different tastes and preferences. While the classic version typically includes cabbage, pork, and noodles, you can find variations that feature seafood, chicken, or even vegetarian options. It's a flexible canvas for creativity, allowing you to tailor it to your liking. Here's a fascinating twist. Ankake Yakisoba is not just a tasty treat. It's also considered a symbol of good luck in Japanese culture. In some regions, it's believed that the long, uncut noodles represent a long and prosperous life. So, not only does it satisfy your taste buds, but it also brings positive vibes and blessings. And there you have it, folks. Ankake Yakisoba, the delightful street food treasure from Osaka, is not just a satisfying meal but also a cultural icon. So, the next time you crave a burst of flavor and a touch of good fortune, give Ankake Yakisoba a try. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, happy cooking and exploring the wonders of Japanese cuisine.